couple things. One, I'm not naked. That would be weird. Two, it's like the middle of the night when I'm filming this. Oh my gosh, I have a tickle in my throat. I hope I'm not getting sick again. I was literally just sick. So please excuse the lighting. We're just dealing with studio lights right now. And I feel like I need the natural light, but bear with me. And also my hair is disgusting. I've had it picked up in a bun all day, so it's looking wild. And so for today, we're just gonna pretend that I don't look like this. And we're gonna be testing out a bunch of new makeup I just got in the mail. I'm gonna be giving you my first impressions while I talk shit about Austin McBroom. Just kidding, not really. But first I have to throw on some eyebrows because I cannot with this alien poodle. And I really wanna try out this combo. I just got this in PR, so Benefit launched their Precisely My Brow Detailer. And I was really hoping this was gonna be a little marker, like the little Glossier brow flick, but it's not. However, it's so interesting because it is the finest, teeny tiniest, itty bitty little thing I have ever seen. It even has this little plastic barrier surrounding it so that the tip doesn't break because it's so fine. It's so fine that I can't even see it. It's like hard to see. So we're gonna test that out. And then we're gonna set it with their brand new Precisely My Brow Wax, which I used this yesterday completely on its own and I really liked it. So let's give it a go. I don't typically go for these brow pencils anymore. I'm a marker kind of gal. Like once I went marker, I don't love the little pencils, but this one is pretty fine. It's almost making like the same little marker strokes. Okay, nice. Again, I prefer a marker. I'm a marker girl, but I do like how fine it is. Now I'm gonna apply this on top. I love that this is a tinted wax, but it's still very waxy. Like it keeps your hairs in place, and usually the tinted wax never stays in place for me. I don't know what it is about a tint, but I just prefer a clear gel. There's something about it that has a stronger hold, but this one's pretty good. Okay, so my first impression is if you're into these types of products, I think you will really like this. Like I said, I'm not really doing the brow pencil thing anymore, so I probably won't use this at all. But if you love a nice, precise brow pencil, you will love this. And I do like this brow wax, even though I'm usually not a fan of a tinted brow wax. It's very similar to the Glossier Boy Brow, which I actually do really love. That's one that's tinted that I really like. This one is similar, but I feel like it has a little bit more of a stronger hold, so I might like it a little bit more than that one. Okay, so I actually went to an event the other night. It was a really intimate, cute little dinner with Glow Recipe, and it was so amazing. I met influencers here in Miami, like fellow creators. They were so nice, and I had never been to Bayoli, this really delicious restaurant in Miami. Anyway, I had a really nice time, and I typically don't go anywhere, but I'm trying to get out there more. I'm trying to leave my house more. I'm trying my best, baby steps. But anyway, the dinner was to celebrate their newest launch, and I'm so excited to try this out. This is their Watermelon Glow Hue Drops. You know how they have their Dew Drops? These are their Hue Drops, and this is basically a glowy tinted serum. It's in the shade Sunglow. Not sure if they're gonna come out with like more shades in the future, but this is a very beautiful, like bronzy, glowy type of serum. So we're gonna try it out today. We're gonna use it as primer. Look at this. Sarah, the co-founder of Glow Recipe, was like swatching it on the back of her hand, and it looked so beautiful. It's just a light skincare serum, but it has a beautiful little glow, and of course smells like watermelon, which is delicious. This is going to be so freaking good in the summer. Oh my god, it was so funny. I was talking to Sarah, the co-founder of Glow Recipe, and she was like, oh my gosh, we were talking about the time that I spoke about their pineapple serum in a favorites video, and she was talking about how I referred to it as smelling like cat pee, and she was like, yeah, you said it smelled so bad, but that you really liked it. And I was like, yes, I did say that. It did smell like cat pee. Straight up. But it was such a good serum. I used to use it so much, even though it smelled like ass. I was like, I gotta keep it real, Sarah. I gotta be honest with the folks at home. My skin feels so hydrated. I like that. Okay, we have a new foundation to test out. This is the Catrice Nude Drop Tinted Serum Foundation. Another tinted serum, but this is a foundation. And it's from Catrice, which is super, super affordable. You can get this brand at Ulta. It's definitely on the lower price range when it comes to drugstore. Like Maybelline and L'Oreal, those are like high-end brands now. Like, bro, the Maybelline and L'Oreal prices are out of control. I swear they are like MAC prices. I don't know what's going on there, but Catrice, LA Girl, J-Cat, Wet n Wild, Elf, those are a little bit more affordable. So okay, let's test out this tinted serum. This one is in the shade 20W. Hopefully it matches me. It says to shake well, so I'll shake it up, Chicago. I need to wash my hair. Bro, you know who I look like? What's that guy's name? Russell Brand? Tell me I don't look like Russell Brand right now. I can't, my natural hair is just like out of control. Okay, I need to talk about Austin McBroom while I look like this. Because how much is Snapchat paying him? I need to know. How much money is he making off of these ridiculous Snapchat videos?
Stop, you need to stop. You're overreacting.
You picked this place! You picked it! You wanna see what they did to me?
Take off the damn beanie. Take it off.
Don't laugh.
Take it off. Ooh. It's a little dark. It's a little dark. Who did this?
I found him on Craigslist. Take a back of the lady. Oh shit.
Just breathe. Just breathe. Come on.
Oh shit. All you can drink lemonade. All you can drink horchata.
And it's not like I'm out there looking for them, okay? They just pop up on my feed. Austin McBroom is all over my For You page. And it's not just me, okay? Look, this is a conversation with me and my cousin Janine. Even my cousin Janine is fed up. Wow, the coverage on this is pretty good for a tinted serum. The thing with me is, like, of course, everybody needs to make a living. Everybody needs to make money. Like, we cannot survive without money. And Austin McBroom has 3 kids. He has a whole family. You know, he needs to provide for his kids. So that's how I see it. I'm like, okay, he's just doing this for the views. Whatever Snapchat is paying him, like, he's acting a fool for the views. But you know, it comes to a point where you're like, to what end, Austin? How much of a dumbass are you willing to look for views, dude? I don't know. All these videos of him like crying with Catherine's bonnet, like nobody's believing that. Nobody's buying that, Austin. Don't get me wrong, there are people who are buying that, but it's just so wild to me. You look crazy, bro. And I don't mean to say that like in an insensitive way, because if I honestly thought that it wasn't all fake, I would probably feel bad for him, because I mean, he's still a person at the end of the day, you know, but it's just all so fake. Oh my God, it's so fake. Like this show he's putting on for us is so weird. I wonder if he's doing that. No, that's for views. There's no other reason. Money. How much is Snapchat paying him? Okay, I don't want to jump the gun here, but I really like how this looks on my skin. Of course, I have to wear it. I'm not the best with first impressions. I changed my mind, but this looks really good actually. The coverage was nice. It's lightweight. Doesn't really feel like anything. I like it. You see, my brow hairs are already falling a little bit, which is the same thing that happens to me with the boy brow, which I still really like, but I want them to like stay like that. Okay, pleasantly surprised. I'm going to keep using this. I don't have a new concealer to try out, so I'm just gonna pop on my Dose of Colors one really quick. Hold on, amigos. I am scaring you guys with my ugly. I added a little bit of eyeshadow to my crease and my lower lash line. I just took the Anastasia Sultry palette and I popped this color on a little bit. So this is the product I mainly want to use on my eyes, and this is not new at all. I've had this for a while, but I just used this shade all over my lid for like the first time the other day, and I fell in love with it, so I want to do it again. These About Face paints are so good. I have a blue one that's amazing. They are the matte fluid eye paints, and they take a big fat poop on the James Charles ones. Just kidding, I've never tried the James Charles ones, but I bet you these are better. They just stay in place all day. They're super matte, but they don't flake. They're not like too drying. They're amazing, amazing. I mean, I've only tried 2 colors, but they're both amazing. And basically, I'm just gonna paint this on my lid. You'll see. And you do have to be careful because these dry pretty fast, so you do wanna work quickly. This one is in the shade Smoke Signal. Now, I didn't start blending it immediately because I do want like a sharp edge, but I don't want it to look like a drawn line. I want it to be a little bit buffed in the crease, just slightly. But like I said, they dry fast and then they set. I'm gonna add a little bit more. And some right in here. Just gonna let that dry. Okay, I'm gonna take this amazing freaking e.l.f. eyeliner brush. Seriously, so skinny, so precise. I'm obsessed with this. It's called the Wing It Liner and it's amazing and you need it. I'm gonna take a little bit of this shade and run it really close to my lower lash line like that. Okay, hear me out. Black Brown Mascara. I've never tried this. This is from Essence. It's their Lash Princess, which I have tried, but I haven't tried this color. Wait, I kind of like this. The color contrast is interesting. Also, I'm so bummed. I know I'm late, but I'm so bummed I missed the Grammys. I didn't even know what was happening. I love Miley Cyrus. I can't believe that's her first Grammy. I wanted to extend the eyeshadow a little bit more on the outer corners here. Okay, I like the brown mascara, but I just gotta top it off with some black. The eyeshadow is a little bit too intense for the brown mascara. I love the brown mascara though for like every day, you know? Okay, I actually don't have a new bronzer to test out, but this one's fairly new. This is the ElaLuz Velveteen Queen Powder Bronzer in the shade Past the Crown. And it's super pigmented, so you wanna go in with a light hand, but I love how bronzy it makes me look. Okay, so Wet n Wild has these Color Icon blushes. They've been around for a while, but they launched 2 new shades, Naked Brown and Bed of Roses, and I'm going to use Naked Brown. It looks so beautiful. I feel like the perfect blush for this look. So beautiful. I love it. I love it. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. I need my clear brow gel. It's absolutely nothing against you, Benefit. In fact, I like your tinted brow gel, I do. But it's just not gonna give me the feathery, flat, you know, brow that I like. I know it's not for everyone, but it's the brow that I like. And then my brows. I'm getting sleepy drunk, okay? So please disregard the rest of this video. I am out of it. I need to go to sleep. Okay, my brows are still uneven, but they're feathery. Okay, I'm gonna overdraw my lips a little bit with the Liss Speak Love Smooth Glide Lip Pencil in Lavish. This isn't new either. Okay, I just recently got these MAC Maximal Matte Lipsticks in the mail, and so I want to try them out. This one is in the shade Warm Teddy. I'm just gonna lightly tap this shade because I only want a little bit of this color. Listen, I know no one loses their mind over MAC lipsticks anymore, but there's something about a MAC lipstick scent that just gets me. It's so nostalgic. So good. Okay, I'm gonna add a gloss since my eyes are totally matte. I don't want my lips to be matte as well. So I'm just gonna pop on the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil in Crystal Clear. These are the best. Have you guys tried these? These are the best and they smell like peppermint. They're so good. Okay, I took off the lip. I didn't take it off completely. I just took off the lipstick. I put the Lavish lip liner back on and that's the only thing I have on my lips now. I think the lip was a little bit too reddish for these eyes. It is a stunning lipstick, but not not with this. But okay guys, that's it. That completes this video. I just wanted to play around with the fluid eye paint again because I wore it the other day to dinner and I really like how it looked. I didn't go as big. I went a little bit more twiggy. Just my eyelid had this color, like my round little eyelid. And I really liked it. I went a little bit more angled today, but I really love those paints. I love this blush. Naked Brown, it is so good. Such a pretty, everyday, peachy, pinky nude with like a hair of like a little bit of terracotta warmth. It's so pretty. And I am loving how my foundation looks right now. Okay, I don't know if it's the combo of this and this, but my skin looks really good and it's not settling into my smile lines all that much, which is super, super impressive. I'm into it, I'm into it. But okay guys, I think that's it. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning. I need to take a shower and go to bed. That completes this video guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. Let me know if there is a new product out there that you have been loving that I need to check out. Please leave it in the comments below. But that completes this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so, so, so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already and I will see you in my next video. Bye.